If you want to close background apps on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, it is actually fairly simple. In the case of 3 buttons navigation, you can just simply tap on the square button. It can be positioned on the left or right side of the phone depending on your settings. And if you tap on this button, then you will immediately open the list of background apps or recents. And then in here you can just close a single app by just swiping it up, or you can just go all the way to the left side in order to find the clear all option. And in case you use gesture navigation, then what you can do is you can swipe from the bottom towards the middle of the screen. And if you swipe, you have to hold for like half a second or so. You will feel a very slight vibration, like a tiny feedback. And this will be the indicator that you can let your finger go. And if you didn't notice it, you can just lift your finger for after like a half a second or so. The rest is pretty much the same. You can just swipe up in order to close a single app, or you can just go all the way to the left side in order to find clear all. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.